when you go to communicate online, you should know what a landing page is. And your landing page is essentially like your storefront, right? It's how you're communicating with people digitally. And with Dubb, I don't know if you can have a much stronger landing page, right? Because every landing page out there you see, like for ads and stuff, is going to have a video on it. And Dubb does that natively, but it also has things like playlists, your integrated call to action buttons, AI chat, and more. And so this is essentially, Bo had a really good question. How do I change the links and stuff? How do I set this thing up? And the first thing I will say is for every single customer of Dubb, our team of humans will meet you in Zoom and set this up for you and with you. If you need a form, right? If you want to capture leads from social media and you don't know how to create a form or don't have one, we will create the form and connect it here to your landing page. Need a calendar, right? To book a time, Calendly, Gmail, etc. We can set that up for you. You have some Google reviews, you have testimonials, do you have buyer's guides or seller's guides? Again, whatever your industry is, we're going to help you set up this landing page in Zoom all for you. If you have specific things, obviously we just need you to provide those things. Otherwise, if you need help strategizing here, we do these trainings, we have expert support to help you build your landing page specific to your business, your needs, your use cases, your assets, all of that. 100% customized and 100% done for you and with you. Now, if you're like, that's all good and great, but how do I do it myself? Here, it's not hard at all. Inside of the dashboard, let's say I want to customize the links and stuff below my video. The best way I recommend doing that is using what's called the preset. The preset is essentially a template. And here I'll pull up one of mine. And in the preset, that's where you have the links that go below your video. Here I have customer success stories, and I have email support, and then I have some testimonials in my playlist. So you'll see the testimonials, email support, customer success stories. So the easiest way to change this, in my opinion, is to change what we call the preset, where you have different buttons, and those are the links right below the video, different videos, different branding, images, colors, etc. Save that, and now that is that template or preset is applicable to all of your videos. Now, alternatively, you could also do it to just one video, right? So here I'm going to go into my library. I'm going to take just one, any video, it doesn't matter which one, and then you can apply settings to the individual video like so. So if I click on like, hey, John, changing just the buttons beneath there. That I don't recommend that option because it's a little bit clunky, but it is totally doable, right? Just one video at a time. Most important, we'll help you. You guys don't have to figure that out for yourself. And we'd love to make sure you have the best buttons and links and stuff possible based on what you got. Secondly, that's how you could do it yourself with either the template or an individual video. All right. And then the last question Bo had there about Dubb Agent and Dubb AI. They are currently two separate costs. Yes. And the reason why is because they can be used completely independent of each other. They are perfectly connected, right? You can use, and in fact, if we have time for my lesson plan today, I didn't quite get to it yesterday. It's this idea of using AI as your new interface, right? You don't go into systems and do clicking and logging and learning and watching tutorials. That's the old way. And the new way is you just use your voice or maybe much less typing, but you're not logging into 3 different systems and watching tutorials and having to meet in support calls to learn how stuff works, or you just talk to your AI and it does it for you, right? Like everything you could do in your CRM, you can do with now your voice without watching tutorial videos, without clicking on buttons, without spending hours trying to like figure stuff out. And that's the main transition I'm trying to help everybody make. And that's sort of the difference here. So the original question of AI and Dubb separate subscriptions, yes, and it's because again they can be completely independent of each other. You can use one without the other. As you know, Dubb.com has existed for like 10 years almost, independently of AI, and now the AI tool can also be used without Dubb, but they are a perfect harmony. So